Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Welcome once again to the online session with the topic word power from the Gettysburg Address by Abraham Lincoln. Unit 5, pages 237 and 242. Word power. Conceived. Conceived is a verb which means created, imagined. And the sentence, the man who conceived the high-speed computer was a genius. Proposition. So in the bracket there is a transcription of the word. Proposition is a noun and it means a suggestion, an idea. And by page number that you can find the same word on page 38 in the speech. That how did it use in that speech? The mayor's proposition to start building a new school has been approved. The mayor is a governor of the city. Approved mean has been accepted. Consecrate is a verb and it means to make or declare or honor as a sacred. On page 240 you can find in the speech, we will consecrate this land in honor of those who made it thrive. So thrive means made it progress and developed. Detract. Detract is a verb and tract is a way and path. So detract, it means to take something away from the path. Listen with E, listen, not with O. It means to minimize, to decrease. Wearing too much makeup will detract from your natural beauty. Nobly is an adverb. It means with honor. In a heroic way, the woman nobly climbed the tallest mountain in the world. Now write your answer in the spaces provided. Which word goes with doing something bravely? So nobly means doing something bravely. Which word goes with applying for something? Proposition. So proposition means applying for something. Which word goes with thought of? Conceived. So conceived means thought of. Which word goes with to take away from something? Detract. So detract means to take away from something. Which word goes with to declare a place special? Consecrate. So consecrate means to declare a place special, being sacred one. These words have been repeated or are being repeated simply because that you should memorize and then use and then understand in your own sentences, and now the definition and now the background to these vocabulary to enhance and improve your vocabulary. Complete each sentence below using one of the words in the following: consecrate, proposition, conceived, nobly, detract. Sentence number 1, we presented a proposition to our teacher to forbid homework on weekends. Forbid means to stop. 2, too many we detract from the beauty of the lawn. And 3rd, my uncle nobly volunteered to fight in the war overseas. To volunteer, to present and offer your services or yourself for a cause. Number 4, the book was conceived by an author with a wild imagination. So imagination, you know the meaning, something pop up in your mind, picture, image from image. Wild imagination, uncontrollable imagination, horrific or dangerous, you can take it in many meanings. Number 5, the veterans will consecrate consecrate this park as a memorial to those who fought in the war. So the veteran, the soldier who fought the war. On their memory it will be consecrated, declared. Circle the word the bis completes, that this complete each sentence. Number 6, she had to detract from his score because he made too many spelling errors. Number 7, the official will consecrate this cemetery for those who died protecting our freedom. Cemetery is graveyard, is a place where the dead people are being buried. Number 8, Paul nobly agreed to speak for those who were not allowed to attend. And number 9, if enough people vote for this proposition, our town will get a new library. And last, number 10, his plan to make computers easier to use was conceived in a garage. Homework: revise the above words and then use them in your own sentences. So pages 237 and 244. Thank you very much and have a nice day.